This week in the BAS Disassembly Hangar, we have a very special Cessna Cardinal. Now, this is a 177 RG. You might notice on this aircraft that it does not have a spar. The spar failed the AD, and the airplane owner could not find another spar to make his aircraft whole again. So it comes to us as a parts plane. This aircraft has not been wrecked. It has not had a prop strike. There's really no damage to the aircraft or the airframe in really any way, except we did not get the spar. This Cardinal is going to yield a monumental number of parts. We're going to get everything out of this aircraft. The Lycoming IO-360-A1B6D aircraft engine, the McCauley 3-blade prop, the spinner dome, all the engine components. We're going to get the CGR 30P engine monitor, a Garmin GNS 340 audio panel, a GNS 430W, a GTX 330 transponder. We're going to get Trio Avionics autopilot, a Bendix King KX 155 navigation radio, and both pilot and co-pilot control wheel. We'll get interior components, front seats, rear seats, cabin and baggage doors, nose gear assembly, the right and left hand main gear assembly, the landing gear retract components, the power pack, the wheels and brakes. We're going to get right hand, left hand wing. This aircraft has Monarch fuel caps, the upper lower cowling, the rudder, the right and left hand aileron, and the right and left hand flap, plus the stabilator and tabs. Be sure to like and subscribe. This week in the BAS Disassembly Hangar, we have a Cirrus SR20. Now this aircraft took a little journey off the runway and it ended up in a ditch, which brings it to us. Eddie's busy disassembling the panel right now. We're going to get lots of goodies out of this aircraft. The IO-360-ES engine, the Avionics flight backs, the JPI EDM 930 engine monitors, front and rear seats, interior components, cabin doors and components, rosin sun visors, the nose gear assembly, the right-hand main gear assembly, and wheels and brakes. We'll get the LED wingtip lights, control components, both ailerons, the rudder, and both elevators. If you need SR20 parts, get in touch soon, and be sure to like and subscribe.